Mimo Bibia Kwaba Eba Melodies TV. So there is something currently happening in Ghana and news via air trend this is yeah. I feel say in some say ba yeah you be to me I share the other side of the story and ask questions. No, we need to do so because your mind here chitre. I have spoken about this thing before, but it looks like Ayana politicians no, if they are in power, Ayana Nyamabisi no, they don't have the will to do anything about it because omo feel say ebia omo ya ebe ha omo. Na very simple. Judge Awotena Ato Forson any Attorney General case esono. Breaking news eba and say sa judge no say yakwa katre President Akufo Addo say yem promote sa judge no any 4 other judges near for monko the Supreme Court. See, we can decide in as much as anything, we can decide to say oh we know omo fair judges ye fair, omo ye professional. No matter how professional you are, at the end of the day, uye nipa. In fact, for those who know, even spirits, nipa krano, even spirits they have their favorites. Even spirits, even gods, they have their favorites. How much more you human being? In as much as we all say that, no, a question in same say ba for me, no, especially in a time like this. In the end, the President Akufo Addo same, yakatre President Akufo Addo than in same say sa judge na what in a case ni so no, yem promoting no. Obviously, you judge now, you're judge of High Court and Appeals Court. Ne promote you near the Oko Supreme Court. Akwa say yama promotion with jumem from ebia normal worker and the wababe than ebia manager and abibi. Usika bekosro ebia baby awoda odabre enso ebesesa into ebesesa for the better. What I say into obia oye judge bia no misusu say the aim and say omo pese ye promote you omo near the omo call the Supreme Court because the Supreme Court is the biggest in the country. Until once you've been able to be promoted to the Supreme Court, not to say, what about the manager? No. Especially at the time, and the Sajajia, what's in a case, for me, and that is even the problem. The major problem, the big problem, can I say, Judge currently case what's in a sono, alleged from tape, Babonting, say, President Akufo Addo, any Kenofoyata, the pressure to Attorney General Neso. Say one chi nipa kra and they didn't court Ato Forson. One chin in tomb. Judge ya na case neso. Na judge ya anso. Allegedly President Akufo Addo country Attorney General so nye nonchi Ato Forson in tomb no. Sa judge ya President Akufo Addo na ende ye country ne say ombra na ombebo judge na baso. No woman ni promotion. Basically what is going on? What is happening? And then ekoso. What is going on? What should we say? Like, mentiasie, inti, on my way, ye betina se ne ya he, na dia na ye say ya, ye betina se ya he, na say ya, koso san wo man ni mu. And then, in the name of, oh, they are all professionals, inti, they were more, no, they are all professionals, inti, they are more, in the name of professionals, sana. I think, say, for starters, we need to change the constitution in such a way, say, even if, in the first place, me say, let us stop the president from appointing any member of the Supreme Court. And until in the Ghana, usi krum na oche Ghana for be 10. Now obi so mo say Supreme Court judges no, u feel say wo mo ye fair. Me to me actually say more than half of Ghana for no be tell say that be Supreme Court judges no mo ye fair. Di intia because especially President Akufo Addo ba if you share the number of for especially politically exposed people, MPP people are or do mo akwa to Supreme Court wa. Enchaye. Hey, Kenya. Nansen Kenya. One of the things Emma Kenya for demonstration a womoko. Ejina womunan su painting. The judiciary. Emra na the executive. Any Kenya for legislator. Omo legislature ne omo executive. Omo MPs. Any omo president no. Epese emia Kenya for ekatum. Kenya mebunu sorry no. One of the arms of government another the only arm of government almost sorry ye support some no the judiciary. Intinanke ye say omo Ghana ye situation ni bi. Enanka Kenya for president omo awode omo ato Supreme Court eye ono ne party political party for omo kasama no ewo radio so omo stane ewo ne party ticket so as MPs omo efeli e no de omo koto ho a na nke ye o se Kenya no na nke nde die esi ye na ebesi ende Kenya mebunu na eji so omo anka de omo bekem bia aban ye omo di nkan ka say yen cancel taxes aban ya cancel omo sanso ka say office of the first lady ni second lady sika mo de mo hie sika mo cancel aban ya cancel they have no choice now dear imbebunu ne bekem bia ne no mo ye why because emra na wo mo hia mwa no so the judiciary and the chief justice of Kenya and the said that she be ye about the heroes of Kenya ye be bonidin as part of the heroes of Kenya because of adia woyeye. But can you tell me in honesty based on previous cases akoso ewo Ghana, can you tell me say Ghana ha BBC ABC we are sitting in this country and we've seen cases yehu de akoso ewo krom ha how the Supreme Court deals with cases bia yehu ne say case we de ebema president wan twe no hwe se ne ye deal with that case no and na me ne o ka say for 2 years ni e-levy case at that Supreme Court send then ye be friend ye di case na wo bi enim. Does this speak well of our society? Does this speak well of our governance? Does this speak well of our judiciary? And so in a very serious case like this, Attorney General ne ho atre no na the judge what case ne so I was say President Akufo Addo say or be massa judge me promotion aba be promoting ako Supreme ana edieni na edieni we akwa say in simple terms though akwa say ebia ye be bobo na ball na ye ba bebo no referee ye na ye nim say obedi match no ye na ye nim na ye say ye be bobo no ana ye guso ye bobo no ye wo park ni so ye guso ye bobo no mehwa na say wo coach aba be free referee no from the side mehwa na say afei no o ma no sika. Basically, no, that is what is currently happening. Not necessarily say physical card, but I'm just trying to paint a picture in another term so you understand and see how I am understanding it at this point. That is why probably I'm speaking this way. Inti ye ni na ye wo match ni mu ye bobo. Na ansa ne ye be bobo ne kra no. Ye yemi esu tre say referee no, referee no, wo coach aka tre referee ne say onye na wo hye me. Ansa ne ye be bobo no. Onye na wo hye me. But my fan say, oh, wait there, enye boni bia. Still, me there, me gidi say, my horn den so, me to me ashaw. Yen konko bobo no. Na fe ye gu match ni mu bobo ye. American say, u coach, wa free referee no one chain. Oni ni di nkomo. Yen go hia u coach yi sika. Aden ya, or the share referee in same. Does it even look fair? Is it even going to look fair? And so the fact that at this time, because I mean, a lot of people are saying, say, Nipakra, yesterday, a report I saw from Joy News, and they say the Chief Justice, the current Chief Justice, and our country President Akufo Addo say, "Sir, appeals court judge, now alternate case ni so no, yen promoting on yen fan call Supreme Court." That's what I heard from Joy News. So according to Joy News, it was the current Chief Justice who said that. I don't know, minim the ewo insemnimu, but seriously. Oshe TV3 for report ya womo de abana womo ambo Chief Justice di ambo obi edin but omo de asomo mo kanono mesremo first na asemo aye can say the judiciary is our last hope. The judiciary is our last. Me sisi ade, if we are talking about the hope of this country, I don't even count the judiciary because in recent times and recent years oshe cases bia omo edi clearly no they didn't have Ghana like the ordinary, the public, the Ghanaians at heart. Which cases be a womudi recently now. You can't tell me the judiciary is more like or the to me guys have me say the judiciary are behind us. No, I mean I don't see that. And so that's me. Mesremo, not this time. I don't know. But all these things, you see, conflict of interest. We can and I'm initially we can decide to say yenka ho asem we dey anya hwe we dey anya boni bia na we dey anya hwe we dey we can decide to do all those things ebetumi aye adwen say be ni na but eye nipa ne ani omudili me say kromo ayete kromo ayete so obi ya papa na later nipa ko no kodi boni na obeka ho asem kra na asem we kan say enye wo na asem esi ya papa na tre say indirectly no so obi ya papa we expect you to, in a way, even if you person obey ni pakro na papa krana, we expect you to, in a way, to be loyal to that person. It will say sikeni bi yo bi papa, na later you kwachi say sikeni no, odi boni bi. Nebi ani pakro ne ba bonten, e ba beka say sikeni na anya de pe ye say, enye wo na sikeni ye o sa papa yi. Atre say, ye be hu say o ye nipa boni ni, say sikeni ni kokodi boni bi na ba beka ho asem. Di entia because wa ye o papa pen. Enti we psychologically, we've not even realized, you are not self-aware, but to be here and papa will chrome her, automatically you expect some form of loyalty. Ebi anani bakrono, wonye na dwen so be sa, but eye wiase eye nipa. Enam wo na wa promote me, wo na wa ma me ene me sika me nkwa mu ayede wo. Na wa asem aba beda court na me so me ye bibi kakere bi, na ama wo nso wenya otire didi mu a. Di ntia na menye. You see the logic? Esramo, wait there. Anyway, whatever. Munche mo adwen me da ase.